Yo, why are we all up so early? Good morning, it's it's about 5 in the morning, about to head off to Dawson Island. It's an island pretty nearby. We're gonna sail over there. Not much wind at the moment, so probably gonna motor for the first while. Get into some wind a little later in the day, overnight, and then come back tomorrow morning. So trying to leave nice and early to make the most out of the day over there. Good morning.
Morning.
How's it going today?
I've made it for departure time. So it's a calm day.